How many of you know about a neutron star? Welcome to the Addicted Astronomer channel. Now, a neutron star is a compressed core of a massive star after a supernova. It is super dense. It has a mass of a sun but squeezed into a size of a football ground. Even the smallest neutron stars weigh around billions of tons. A matchbox-sized neutron star can have a mass of 2 to 3 billion tons. Neutron stars are bright. They can be seen by the Hubble Space Telescope by the radio pulses they give out. Neutron stars are extremely hot and have really strong fields that if one of these enter our solar system, it would rip orbits away and can cause planets to collide and collapse. The closest neutron star is 500 light-years away. Neutron stars doesn't only contain neutrons, they even have electrons and protons turning into neutrons. They emit high-energy beams from its poles. If something tries to touch these massive objects, it would get sucked into it and gets fed to its mass neutrons. If it gets enough mass, it will turn to a black hole. If we get to the topic of gravity, the gravity of neutron stars will be more than 2 billion times stronger than the gravity on Earth. This gravity makes the particles to stick to the core of it. It is strong enough to bend the incoming radiation and light towards it and let us observe distant galaxies or stars behind it. It lives for almost 1 million years. It gets cooled by emitting radiation. It gets colder and colder. Some of the oldest neutron stars, yes, they never die. Sometimes it might even collapse. So what about collision of these massive things? They move in spirals and their merger leads to a black hole or a more heavier and brighter neutron star. This collision causes pulses of radiations to spread out in space. They move at massive speeds and thousands of rotations per second. A heavier neutron star moves at thousands of kilometers per second. There are two main properties of neutron stars: rotation and magnetic field. Two main types of neutron stars based on this are pulsars. Pulsars are types of neutron stars rotating at high speeds. Magnetars. Magnetars are neutron stars with very high magnetic field. Pulsars have really high rotation speeds. They give pulses of radiation away and extremely dangerous. These radiations contain gamma bursts, X-rays, UV rays. To an observer at a distance, it looks like it's blinking on and off. They slow down as they age. These pulsars have high levels of electromagnetic radiation including gamma. Brightest pulsar is Vela pulsar. Next are magnetars. Magnetars are extremely magnetized neutron stars with a magnetic field 1000 times more magnetic field than ordinary neutron stars. These are extremely powerful. One of these can pull our entire solar system towards it and can wipe every credit card away. And can cause destruction to our galaxy. Pulsars and magnetars are one of the main types of neutron stars. Other types are radio pulsars, recycled pulsars, millisecond pulsars, soft gamma ray repeater, X-ray pulsar, accretion-powered pulsar, mass-based X-ray binaries. Thank you for watching and hit the like button if you found this informative. Make sure you hit the subscribe button for more such content. New video every Saturday. Check out our other videos by clicking here.